Hey darling, come and have a look at these rain chains. They're amazing. Up to 2 weeks ago, I knew absolutely nothing about rain chains other than they originated in Japan. But over the last few months, they've taken the UK by storm. So I decided to see what all the fuss was about. So I decided to buy my own rain chains, and here they are. So they're made from Japanese steel. They don't rust. They're very heavy duty and very high quality. So let's fix them up. So one of the first things we're going to do is remove the downspout. There we go. So here's the rain chain hook onto which all the chains fit on. Each chain fits on to the barb like so. So there's chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. So you see they went on really easy, and this is a really strong hook. So not only, you know, do they fit on nicely there, they're really secure too. So here's the V-piece made from Japanese high tensile steel. Very, very strong. The rain chain hook fits on the V-piece like so and sits where the gutter meets the downpipe. So a very, very strong piece of kit, very strong attachments. Let me show you how to fit it. This is really easy. So I'm standing on a ladder, and with this hand I then thread it through the downpipe where it meets the gutter until it comes up here. Then I hook my finger in the hook and then just pull it up into place. Then I just connect the V-piece that I showed you before. Then from there, just gently lower it into the gutter, and it just sits nicely, securely and tightly in the part of the gutter where it meets the downpipe. So let me show you what they look like once they've been installed. And as you can see, these chains fit naturally and neatly in the circle here that's been cut in the template. And because these are heavy duty, high quality rain chains, you'll find if it's windy or there's a gale, these chains won't go anywhere. Wow, look at that. That's why I love my rain chains.